Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's build the strategies for improvement of call-to-close ratio in a contact center. Let's begin with the first and most foundational strategy to boost call-to-close ratios, improving lead quality and targeting. The truth is simple: better leads drive better results. When we focus our efforts on high-potential prospects, every call becomes more strategic and more valuable. By using AI-driven lead scoring, we can identify leads with the highest likelihood of conversion and put them at the front of the queue. Then, through smart segmentation, based on demographics, purchase history, and intent signals, we match the right message to the right audience at the right time. And equally important, we must remove low-value leads from campaigns. Wasting time on unqualified prospects weakens efficiency, lowers morale, and drives down close ratios. The impact is clear. Higher quality conversations lead to stronger engagement and significantly better close rates. As trainers and leaders, our role is to ensure teams don't just make calls, they make the right calls to the right people. Next, let's move to a core performance lever, enhancing agent training and coaching. Even the best leads won't convert without skilled, confident agents driving the conversation. That's why sales skills training, focused on objection handling, negotiation, and active listening, is absolutely essential. These skills help agents turn challenges into opportunities. Role-playing sessions are another powerful tool. By simulating tough customer conversations in a safe environment, agents build confidence, sharpen their communication, and learn how to navigate real-world scenarios effectively. And with AI-driven performance feedback, including tone analysis and speech coaching, training becomes even more precise, giving agents real-time insights into how they can improve. The impact: stronger agent confidence, sharper persuasion, and higher close ratios. As trainers and leaders, our job is to build skill, not just deliver scripts, empowering agents to lead conversations that convert. Let's move to strategy 3, optimizing call scripts and messaging, a critical step in turning conversations into conversions. The days of rigid, robotic scripts are behind us. Today's customers expect personalized, natural, and engaging conversations. That's why it's essential to replace old scripts with dynamic, adaptive scripts powered by AI. When agents can personalize the message, for example, saying, "I see you've been with us for 3 years, so we can offer you," it builds trust, connection, and relevance in seconds. We should also test and A/B measure different versions of scripts to learn what language, tone, and structure drive the best results. This continuous refinement ensures we are always improving how we communicate. The impact: more engaging conversations that feel authentic, and higher success rates that directly lift your call-to-close ratio. Let's talk about strategy 4, leveraging AI and agent assist tools, one of the most powerful ways to boost conversion performance. In fast-moving conversations, agents don't always have the time to think through every angle. That's where AI-powered assist tools come in, providing real-time recommendations for upsell or cross-sell opportunities, helping agents respond with precision and confidence. Sentiment analysis adds another layer of intelligence, allowing agents to adjust their tone and approach based on how the customer is feeling in the moment. This transforms a standard pitch into a truly adaptive conversation. And with automated rebuttals at their fingertips, agents can handle objections seamlessly, keeping the flow smooth and focused on closing the deal. The result? Agents are empowered to close faster and smarter, boosting both performance and customer experience. Let's move to strategy 5, refining call timing and strategy, a subtle but incredibly powerful way to lift close ratios. Even the best pitch won't work if the timing is off. By using data and analytics, we can identify the best times to call, whether that's paydays, evenings, or weekends, when customers are most likely to engage and act. But just as important as when we call is how often. Limiting call attempts prevents customer fatigue, frustration, and brand damage. Instead of pushing harder, we focus on calling smarter. And with predictive dialers, we can further maximize live connections while reducing wasted time on no answers or voicemails. The result? Smarter timing, more meaningful conversations, and a higher likelihood of closure. Let's talk about strategy 6, strengthening offer design, one of the most direct ways to increase your call-to-close ratio. Even the most skilled agent needs a strong value proposition to seal the deal. When offers are compelling, with smart discounts, attractive bundles, or loyalty perks, they give customers a clear reason to say yes. Adding time-bound elements creates a sense of urgency, encouraging faster decision-making. And when we personalize offers to fit each customer's profile, whether it's a family plan, an enterprise bundle, or a tailored upgrade, the offer feels relevant and meaningful. The result? A stronger value proposition that drives higher close ratios and deeper customer engagement. Let's move to strategy 7, building customer trust, one of the most powerful and sustainable ways to boost your call-to-close ratio. Trust doesn't happen by accident, it's earned through every interaction. When agents reference past conversations and demonstrate a clear understanding of the customer's history, it shows care, attention, and respect. That alone can shift the tone of a call from transactional to personal. Using transparent, honest language is just as critical. Customers can sense when a pitch is aggressive or misleading, and that erodes trust fast. But when agents focus on solution selling, genuinely helping instead of just pushing, it builds credibility and confidence. The impact is clear. Trust-based selling leads to higher conversions, stronger customer loyalty, and long-term relationships. Let's talk about strategy 8, incentive alignment, a proven way to drive both motivation and measurable results. When we align incentives with closures, not just calls made, we shift the team's focus from activity to outcomes that truly matter. Agents begin to prioritize quality conversations over high-volume dials, leading to stronger close ratios. Introducing tiered incentives for higher-value deals adds another layer of motivation. It rewards effort and skill, encouraging agents to aim higher, not just work harder. And let's not underestimate the power of public recognition. Celebrating top performers boosts morale, builds healthy competition, and inspires others to raise their game. The impact? A team that's driven by results, not just busy work, one that delivers higher quality interactions and stronger closures. Let's talk about strategy 9, continuous monitoring and analytics, the engine that keeps performance improvement alive. Improving call-to-close ratios isn't a one-time activity, it's a data-driven journey. By tracking call disposition codes, we gain clear visibility into why calls don't close, whether it's objections, timing, or misalignment. From there, we can identify leakage points, those critical moments in the customer journey where deals are most likely to fall through. Once we know where the leaks are, we can fix them. And with conversion analytics dashboards, we get real-time insights that help us spot patterns, prioritize actions, and refine strategies continuously. The impact? Data-driven refinements that steadily and predictably improve close ratios over time. Let's wrap up with strategy 10, post-call engagement, a powerful way to turn missed opportunities into successful closures. Not every customer will say yes on the first call, and that's okay. What matters is how we re-engage them strategically. By using follow-up emails, SMS, or WhatsApp reminders, we keep the conversation alive and gently guide the customer back into the decision window. Offering self-service checkout links or easy conversion paths removes friction, allowing customers to act on their own time, often leading to a yes without another live call. The result? More second chance closures, less wasted effort, and a noticeable lift in overall close ratios. Let's bring everything together with a powerful recap of how to strategically improve call-to-close ratios in any contact center. To truly move the needle, we need to work smarter at every level. Target smarter, with AI-driven lead scoring and intelligent segmentation to focus on the right prospects. Train smarter, through continuous sales coaching, role play, and AI-powered performance feedback. Sell smarter, using dynamic scripts, personalized offers, and well-timed outreach strategies. Motivate smarter, by aligning incentives to outcomes and building trust-based selling practices. Analyze smarter, with conversion dashboards, leakage tracking, and strong post-call engagement. When AI intelligence, strong agent skills, and customer trust come together, the result is clear: sustained improvements in call-to-close ratios and a more predictable, profitable contact center. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.